Hey guys, you have reached Regina TV. Look at this beautiful mohawk unit. If you would like to learn how to make this for yourself, then just stay tuned and don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share.
Before work's off my list, what's left to do, just get.
Alright guys, so to prepare your hair for this hairstyle, you're going to braid your hair as close to the front and any parts that you want showing in your hairstyle. Now right here, you want to come as close to behind your ear as possible so that hair can show towards the front if you want it to show.
We hit the sheets, you on my lips, I'm feeling the heat, that's all I need. When the day's gone, we've only begun, that's the best part. When we get it on, I'm addicted on denying it.
Now the product that I have decided to use is edge wax to smooth my hair down. Guys, remember, when you are preparing your hair for your mohawk unit, make sure you know the width of your unit, because if you're braiding your hair and your hair braids are too wide for the unit, you're going to have to take all of this down. Alright guys, this is the way that my hair looks once I finish braiding it. I know that this is the width of my mohawk, so now it's just time to install the unit. Alright, well this is the unit that I will be installing today. As you see, it's extra long, and it's extra long for a reason. Now the curls that this unit is made out of is by Milky Way, and it's an Oprah curl. But different brands make the same type of Oprah curl, like this brand for instance. So you'll be able to find it. Now to install this unit, we're going to place the unit right on the braid, right on the front of the braid, and this is why I wanted you to bring that braid as close to the front of the hairline as possible.
Then get up, get dressed, before work's off my list. What's left to do, just guess. It's you, my favorite, but I wanna taste you and feel you shake, raising an earthquake. Can't push the brakes when a rush hits. We're going in, we're going in. You keep me biting my cheek, year after year. Only gets better, I'm weak in the knees. We hit the sheets, you on my lips, I'm feeling the heat, that's all I need. When the day's gone, we've only begun, that's the best part. When we get it on, I'm addicted on denying it. Cause you don't cross my mind, you live in it. I wanna taste you and feel you shake, raising an earthquake. Can't push.
Now right here where the braid is, that's where I would stop braiding my hair and smooth my hair up into a ponytail if I wanted to wear a high ponytail. Now I'm gonna tell you right now, you haven't seen anything until you see this hair pulled up into a beautiful high curly ponytail.
I'm about to get 30. Your last one made you 30. Now you get yourself a freaking little dude.
Now guys, I'm looking to see how long I want my mohawk to be. I don't want it too long, so I am going to pull it up some and I'm going to pin it right there.
I'ma fuck you while I'm sober. I'm not taking Uber to your hotel. Eating like a local, cause you're calling back while I shut down.
You keep me biting my cheek, year after year. Only gets better, I'm weak in the knees. We hit the sheets, you on my lips, I'm feeling the heat, that's all I need.
Now guys, that we have our mohawk to the length that we wanted, now we can finish pinning our hair down to the braids on the side. Right there.
You and feel you shake, raising an earthquake. Can't push the brakes when a rush hits. We're going in, we're going in. You keep me biting my cheek, year after year. Only gets better, I'm weak in the knees. We hit the sheets, you on my lips, I'm feeling the heat. That's all I need. When a day's gone, we've only begun. That's the best part. When we get it on, I'm addicted on denying it.
Guys, this hair is not going anywhere. Now we're just going to continue to pin it around the perimeter of the braids.
An earthquake, can't push the brakes when a rush hits. We're going in, we're going in. You keep me biting my cheek, year after year. Only gets better, I'm weak in the knees.
And once we finish doing all of that, it's just time to play with these curls and put these curls in their place.
I'm about to get 30. Your last one made you 30. Now you get yourself a freaking little dude. In the mood 24/7, 6911. So you're making it, but I'ma just stop. Stop for a moment. Do you really think that I'ma fuck you while I'm sober? I'm not. Taking Uber to your hotel, eating like a local, but you're calling back while I shut down.
You keep me biting my cheek, year after year.
Here, you just seeing me place the curls where I want them to be. You could put a hairnet on this unit, spray it lightly with hairspray. This hair is not going to go anywhere. Alright guys, this is the way the hairstyle turned out. This hairstyle is good for any occasion, whether you're a working woman, whether you're going to the gym, or just an everyday look. Check out how pretty this hairstyle turned out. Remember, you can wear it up or you can wear it down. Well guys, you have reached Regina TV. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Come back and see the different hairstyles that I put this one mohawk unit in. And until next time guys, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, and I will talk to you later. Mwah.
You keep me biting my cheek, yeah.